Achoo. Bless you. But have you ever wondered why we sneeze? Sneezing is your body's way of saying, hey, something's in here that shouldn't be. It's like your nose's very own security system. When irritants like dust or pollen invade, your brain sends a message to your body to launch a sneeze attack. Boom, out they go. And get this, sneezes can travel up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah. But don't worry, it's just your body's way of keeping your airways nice and clear. So next time you sneeze, remember, your body's just doing some spring cleaning. What other body mysteries would you like us to uncover next? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Thank you for watching.